In each row of the table, there is some information about the sets AB, the universal set, but some information is missing. For each row, find the missing values and draw a Venn diagram. Then, using the results from the table, formulate a relation between an AB and A intersection B and an A union B. So for the first one, the A part, we have the universal set is 14. So we have 14, and we have the A and A with 5 and B is 6, A intersection B is 2. So if I write 2 here, then this is A, this is B. Then A would be 5 minus 2, that is 3. And B would be 6 minus 2, that is 4. So A union B would be 3. We don't write there. Would be 3 plus 2 plus 4, that's 9. And intersect A union B dashed would be simply 14 minus 9, and that is 5. So that's what we get for the first one. For the B part B, it is 15. So it's 15, then 3, 5. They've given us A union B. So that is, if this was A, that's B. If this was X, this is Y, this is Z. Then A union B with 8 would mean X plus Y plus Z equals 8. And you would have X plus Y is 3. And X plus Y is 3. And Y plus Z is 5. So you know that X plus Y is 3. So Z would be 8 minus 3. That is 5. And if Z is 5, Y is, if Z is 5, then Y would be 0. So the center intersection part, there's nothing. And A would be Y plus Z, 8 minus 5. That is 3. So then we have A union B would be 8 elements, and we have to find A intersection B, so that's 0. And A union B dashed would simply be 15 minus 8, and that is 7. So I've done that. The third part, the universal set has 24 elements. So the universal set has 24 elements, and A is 14, B they have not given us, intersection is 9, so that would be 14 minus 9, that is 5, so that's A, that's B. So A only is 5, and then A and, yeah, that's right, and then A union B dashed is 6, so that means here we have 6. So A union B would be 24 minus 6, that is 18. So I will write 18 because 24 minus 6 is 18. Okay, so A union B is at 18, and then B we have to find out. So 5 plus 9 plus, if it was X would be A union B, that's 18. So X would be 18 minus minus 4 minus 14, that is 4. So x will be 4. So we write 4 here. So what is b? So in b is not 4, b is 9 plus 4, and that is 13. So that's done as well. And now the D. So for D, they haven't given us the universal set. They've only given us what the B part is, and B is 16. So number of elements in B would be 16. So if you add X, Y, Z, you would have Y plus Z is 61. They've given us intersections. That's easy. You don't need to call it Y. I'd rather say 10. And B is 16. So 16 minus 10, that is 6. So NA union B is 24. So X plus 10 plus 6 is 24. X is 24 minus 16, that is 8. So NA would be 8 plus 10, 18. And this would be 4. So A union B is 24. A union B plus 4 would be the universal set. So A union B is 24 plus A union B dashed is 4, and that give you 28, and 28 is the universal set. So done D as well. For the next part, it's E. We have not been given the universal sets, but they have given us intersection and NA. So that would mean NA is 24. NA is 24. A intersection B is 9. So A and B, and this is 9. And A is 24. So only A would be 24 minus 9. And that is 13. Sorry, 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. And A union B is 44. A union B dashed is 4. So if A union B is 44, that would mean 15 plus 9 plus x. X 15 plus 9 plus x is 44. And x would be 44 minus 15 plus 9 is 24, that is 0, 20, 60. I suppose 20, so we'd have this as 20. So NB would be 29, and therefore the universal set would of course be 44 plus 4, that's 48. Next we have the F part. No universal set. It starts from B and intersection is specified. So we can do this quite in the same way. So we first write down, oh, intersection is not specified, sorry. They have given us NA, looking at the wrong question. Sorry for my notification that keeps coming. So NA was 12, NB is 9, NA and B we haven't been given, so we have to put X here. If we did that A union B is 21, so we can say that we need all three, I think. And here you have 9. So we can put in a 9 here, and we can say x, y, z. So x plus y plus z equals 21, and x plus y is 12, and y plus z is 9. So if x plus y is 12, that means z would equal 21 minus 12, and that is 9. So z is 9, b only b is 9. Therefore, the intersection part, the y plus z is 9, so y is likely to be 0. So if this is 0 and x only, so a would be 12, that would be 12. With 12, yeah, that's right, 12. So intersection we put in 0, 9, 0. Yes, that's right. And then the universal set simply is 21 plus 9, and that's 30. So I would get 30 and 0. Yes, I got the maths right. Keep lots of mistakes and no addition mistakes. And then we have the H part, so F part is an G part, sorry. Universal, you have once again 40, B is 24, intersection is 6, B dashed is 6. So you see, you can straight away write union. 40 minus 6 is 34. And so if you know that's 34, this is 6. So and B is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. And therefore an A would be 18 plus 6 is 24. So the whole of A would be 34 minus 24, that's 10. You don't have to do x and y, or you can if you want to. Minus 24 equals 10. So A union B minus n of B, all the elements of B, yeah, would give you only A. So 34 minus 24 is 10. So that would be only A. Only A, mind you, not whole of A. So you can't write NA. NA would be 16. Okay, so after a while you get used to it and you don't have to do the x and y, but you can, it's always useful to use x and y and check things up. It gets a bit confusing for me. So the last one, H, we have 32, universal set. NA is 12. NA is 12, so we have A and B 12, and the intersection is 5. So it's 12 minus 5, that is 7. And union is given as 26. So 7 plus 5 is 12. If you did 26 minus 12, you would get one that's only B. 26 minus 12 is 4, and 30, not 34, 14. 14. So 14 is only B. So B and B, elements of B will be 14 plus 5, that's 19. 19, 5, and then 26. A union B dashed will simply be 32. Universal set minus A union B, that's 32 minus 26, and that is 6. So that completes this this table. On the next bit, they have said we have to find a relation. So you have clearly understood that um, N union B, A union B is simply the universal set minus A union B dash, that's A union B, and A intersection B is NA intersection NB. So the common of NA and B. So what you see from here is if you add up the elements of NA and you add up NB, 5 plus 6 is 11, and you take away 11 minus 2 A intersection B, you will get N union B. So if you write NA and then plus NB, and you can see from the first one that if you have NA and then NB, you add them and you take away the intersection, so minus N A intersection B, you would get N A union B. So the relation that you can come up with is, you can simply write this relation, this is as good, but then we can put the NA intersection B to the right side and see, therefore we can write NA and plus NB equals N A intersection B plus N A union B. That is that relation they are looking for, and that's N A plus N B equals N A intersection B plus N A union B. So that's the answer.